Good morning, evening, or afternoon. My name's Kevin, and today I'm cooking here. We're making soft tacos.
Oh no.
Today I am dressed by Star Wars. It's a good look.
Dressed in Star Wars, not by Star Wars.
Shows off the guns. Dressed in Star Wars, not by Star Wars. I don't know who makes this shirt, but I've had it since I was 12. Anyways, let's start cooking. In the beginning, we're gonna take a pan and cook our beef. We've picked up one package of lean ground beef from the local co-op, and we're gonna throw it in the pan. Our beef is in. Alright, so you're gonna need some red onion. And we're gonna cut it into thin slices. Like that. So do half the red onion, the other half, wrap it up, save for later. And if you have deli containers, put them in there. I'm OCD, I like deli containers, everything the same. Just use a simple bowl. Alright, so I'm gonna stir my beef. Falling down, I've lost too much weight by eating all of these soft shell tacos. Alright, so ingredients, toppers, the red onions which you just cut, arugula, replace it with lettuce if you don't like arugula. I like the pepperiness of it. Banana pepper is my favorite thing, from hot dogs to tacos. Now, my most hated ingredient, it tastes so good, but I hate working with it, I hate it on my fingers, avocados. Just hate that stuff on my hands. We gotta cut it. I had that silly ABC sandwich at our restaurant, everyone ordered it, they loved it. I hated making it because I had the avocados, but they're so good. We are going to now season our beef with salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. I go through one of these a week. Alright, so our beef's almost done. I'm gonna put my arugula in there. You don't have to. I like to.
Do you wait till it's wilted?
Yeah. Okay. Sauce time. Alright, so we're gonna make a simple spicy sauce out of chipotle chili peppers and mayo and garlic and lime juice. We're gonna put it in here and we're gonna whisk it all together. So I got my chili peppers in adobo, I think. Adobo, however you pronounce that. I think I'm right. A lime, mayo, the good stuff. We don't have time to make our own. And some garlic. Just that'll do. Now I just need my whisk. Ash, where's my whisk?
Right here, you
We got the mayo in here, it's about half cup. Now it's time for the... One. 3 of them are in there. Now we're gonna take this. And we're just gonna do it like that. And then the lime. We're just gonna...
You have issues.
Give it all whisk. Those peppers should be blended. If you have an immersion blender, blend them. If you have food processor, do that. What I don't have is time, and I don't want them, so I'm still gonna get the flavor, and I'll crush them up the best I can. That's the quick way to do it. So that's ready. We're also gonna put some cilantro on there. And somebody caught that?
What?
Rucola? Oh, that's spicy.
The kids are not gonna be able to eat if it's that spicy.
That was really good. Alright, now it's time to take this. It's a spicy pepper. We're gonna take our beef and arugula, and we're gonna put a little bit on there.
Ooh.
Look at that. And then we're gonna do some of this. Onions, banana peppers, my avocado. I'm gonna wash my hands again. And then our sauce. Lots of it on there. And then some cilantro and some ricotta. Now, let's wrap this up.
You had avocado on your hand, didn't you?
I did. It's not even a taco. It's not even a taco, but it could be. Right now it's just kind of a wrap. Yes, a burrito. I'm not that well versed in the O's, but I know I love them, and they're amazing. And yeah, you can taco this. Just get smaller ones and soft shell taco this. That was the original plan, but I purchased the wrong ingredient. So we make do with what we have.
Soft shell taco.
And now it's wrapped up. I don't think that qualifies.
Is that a burrito then?
I don't know. I'm just joking around. I'm just joking around. But look at that.
How's it taste? Let's zoom in on this baby. Hold on. Oh, that looks good.
Pardon my dark spots in my hands. I am also in the process of smoking meats and cleaning grills, and I wanted a quick lunch. That was quick.
That was quick. That was like 8 minutes maybe.
Yeah, man. Woman, wife, love you.
Oh, man. Okay, do I get one?
That is so good.
I want one.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. We'll keep doing this just as long as you like it. And are you not entertained?
I'm entertained. I'm having a hard enough time holding the camera.
Ingredient wise, I'm not going to write it down. So just watch it to the end, because you got red onions, you got cilantro, you got banana peppers, you got ricotta, you got mayo, you got chili peppers, you got the soft shell tortillas, you have limes, and you have ground beef, and you have arugula or lettuce, salt, pepper, garlic salt. And I don't think I forgot anything. I'm kind of looking at avocado. Avocado. So good. So good. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe down below for more family videos.
Bye.
Bye.